So today we are discussing about software engineering formulas. So let's see. So this is cyclomatic complexity, where it is written as Cc is equal to E minus n plus 2, where E is number of edges and n is number of nodes. Some author says that this is the complexity which is related to path testing or program graph and the path testing of software engineering as well as the software testing part. This is the formula for reliability, where R is equal to C into P, where R is reliability, C is coverage and P is probability. This is also related to the field of software testing as well as software engineering. So we can say that the broader area is software engineering, and under that, if we are talking about software testing and different types of software testing, then we can calculate reliability also. So there is a model in software engineering which is known as constructive cost model. This is the model which is used to calculate or construct the cost of a software development model. So the formula is effort applied, which is denoted by E, is equals A base B bracket start KLOC bracket close B base B. So the value would be calculated in person month and it is denoted by PM, where E is effort applied, A base B is a multiplicative factor, KLOC means is line of codes, B base B is exponential factor. So this is the formula of software estimation, in which we are calculating development efforts, where D is a development is equal C base B within brackets KLOC, and the last one is D base B. So it is just like a constructive cost model. In that model we were calculating the effort applied, but here we are calculating the development efforts. So this is the difference. Otherwise C base B and DB are the same as the constructive cost model, where A base B was the multiplicative factor and B base B was the exponential factor. Here C base B is multiplicative factor and D base B is the exponential factor, and the value will be come out in the person month only. So this is the formula of availability, where availability is equal to MTBF divided by MTBF plus MTTR bracket close, and if I want to calculate the percentage of availability, then it is MTBF divided by MTBF plus MTTR bracket close multiplication by 100. MTBF is mean time between failures and MTTR is mean time to repair.